Hey guys, welcome to your Matchbox sports car.
Today we're gonna unbox Matchbox. This is the red card. Show it to them, show it to them. It's not focusing.
Matchbox.
Yeah. But
Let's open
it's reverse. We're unboxing Matchbox red car and we're gonna show it to you. Show it to them. See? It's a nice car. Show it to them. See, the wheels. See that? That's a nice car. Yeah. No, sorry. Alright. What will you say, Joe?
It's a red car.
It's a red car, yeah. Oh, you roll it on my arm. Ooh.
You're bad? Bad! TF.
And that's our red car. So,
Say goodbye to
bye
them.
bye.
Bye bye.